Namaskar. Today I would like to talk about the different kinds of vegetarians. First of all, the word vegetarian can be defined as anyone who does not eat meat or flesh foods. That term was coined by the Vegetarian Society of UK back in 1847. So amongst the different kinds of vegetarians, we have the lacto-ovo vegetarian. They take dairy products as well as eggs. There's the most common type of vegetarian diet known as the lacto-vegetarian diet, which is including dairy products. Then there is the vegan diet. Vegan diet excludes dairy products. Fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts. This is the vegan diet. Another category are the flexitarian diet, where mostly those people eat vegetarian, but sometimes they also take non-vegetarian food. And the last category we may describe as raw foodists. Very similar to vegan, but all of their food is raw, uncooked food. So, how many vegetarians are there around the world? Well, a survey in the United States in 2008 revealed that about 3.2% of the American population, between 6 and 8 million people, are vegetarian, 1.5% vegan. And another survey showed about 19,000 people a week changing to the vegetarian diet. So it is going mainstream. We can say that the vegetarian diet and that lifestyle that it engenders is going mainstream. Other parts of the world, example, Ghent, Belgium, they have declared Thursdays as meat-free day. And so they promote, that city of Ghent promotes meat-free food every Thursday in schools and public institutions. The German Federal Environmental Agency has urged people to take meat only in special occasions, as in the pre-war days. And the British National Health Service now provides vegetarian diets on all of their menus in British hospitals as a means to combat global warming emissions. Actually, speaking about global warming, the International Panel for Climate Change says that the most useful step that an ordinary citizen could take towards reducing global warming would be to switch to a plant-based diet. So there are various reasons why people go vegetarian. The most common one, according to a Yankovic Brothers survey of 1992, the most common reason is health. 46% surveyed said for health reasons they're going vegetarian. Following that was about the concern for animals, animal welfare. Third in line was influence of family and friends. Fourth, the effect of the vegetarian diet on global warming, environmental issues. So these are the main reasons why people go vegetarian and why it is slowly and gradually becoming more and more an acceptable way of life and living. Thank you so much.